Pete, you're a master of your abilities. And today is going to be a good day.
When God created me, he created his favorite. Say he ain't got favoritism. But nigga, I am the greatest. My thoughts are separated by how others be thinking. My story is inspirational. I am an inspiration from the...
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. It's your boy back with another video, man. So today we got a no crank, no start on a 2009 Cascadia. You know what I'm saying? So test out a couple things. Sound like the starter solenoid is bad, man. So we're gonna take the starter down and put up another one, and let's see if we can win this battle, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna walk y'all through this, do as much as I can, let y'all see. We're gonna get this thing taken care of and get it all knocked out. Let's get it. Y'all see that thing? Also see how big it is. You know what I'm saying? Yep. So on the truck, we gotta remove a ground that's here on here. We gotta move the power from here, and we have we got three bolts on the starter, man. You know what I'm saying? You got one up top, and you should have two at the bottom on each side. And we're gonna see what we can do, man, get it knocked out. All right, man, look, so first thing first, like anything else, same thing like a car, man. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna remove the grounds and take maybe one power off, because one of them is connected straight to the starter. And what I do is I normally, once I get it up, I put a rag around it so the wire is not getting no contact to give me power ground when I am on the truck. Also, what I do is, safety caution, we're gonna turn the power off. You know what I'm saying? All semi trucks got a power switch. Either if it's here, it's always on the battery side. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna cut that off. So we don't have no power nowhere. So we're gonna get a 14, and we're gonna take all these off. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna remove the grounds and remove the power, and then we'll get over to the starter. So you see what time it is underneath there? See, I got the power going off of there. That goes straight to the starter from the batteries, and it also gives the power to the whole track on the batteries. I got all the ground disconnected. We got the power shut off, so I have no power nowhere. So now I can go and start removing the starter and getting that off. Y'all see it? You also see that corrosion underneath there, right? We're gonna make sure we clean all that up too.
Citizen Spike Dappa and Trey P. Doe in detention again.
Here we go.
When will you two learn to shut your
When
mouth?
the boobs get smaller.
What are you, a couple of comedians?
2 hours
Spike?
later.
What time it is, man? Your boy beat the battle. It was a battle, but you see, man, this whole thing was this a factory starter. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see it. So what I found out when I was taking it apart, this is your ground right here. This was loose, and this is broken side here. So there's a wire that go in here that grounds it out in the inside of the starter, and this is torn up right here. So that could have been one of the issues why the solenoid wasn't firing. You know what I'm saying? And come to find out, this had 42 counts of going bad on it, and nobody changed it, man. I don't think they wanted to lay on their back like I did, you know what I'm saying, and take it out. Y'all see what time it is, man. Look, let me get my light, let y'all see, man. Y'all see there ain't no room in there? Ain't no room in there. I still got everything connected. The only thing I did was I was spinning the tire from right to left. You see all my tools at the bottom, man. But like I said, we got it out. We finna slap this boy back in so my man can get back on the road, man, and get to his money, man. This is holding him up, man. He can't get to his money. He can't go to sleep. He can't do none of that, man. So we gonna get this demonstration all straightened out and let y'all see too, man, that it did get towed in. You know what I'm saying? It did get towed in. Y'all see the drive shaft hanging. So once I put the starter up, I gotta mount the drive shaft back up, torque that back down. You know what I'm saying? Because you ain't gonna be able to move without that, man. But y'all see what time it is, man. Let me get the new starter for y'all so y'all can check it out. So y'all see that fresh new boy going in there, man. So if y'all can see, you see all the grounds is together, man. So all this stays together, just like it comes on off of there. But you do gotta unloosen this right here, which you gonna break this. A ground goes here, and you know what I'm saying? You got your S wire that goes here, and you got your power wire that goes here, man. It's real easy, man, but it's just like no room. See how big it is, man, and you gotta be a master of your abilities to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? Like P said, man. P said, you got to be a master of your abilities. And today is going to be a good day. You know what I'm saying? I just had to put a little work in, man. But let me unloosen these bolts right here to get them ready. And then we're going to slap this boy up in there, man, get dude on his way, man, so we can quit playing with him. Let's get it. You see, so I unloosened everything, got it going. And this one's ready to go. This one's ready to go right here. So what I was saying was, when I was taking the ground off the actual starter, this whole thing was turning. You know what I'm saying? And what that was is the wire broke inside. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. But this don't have to be, this just need to be snug tight, and that's it. Same thing with this, man. You don't put no impact on here to tighten it up, because it's already, you know what I'm saying, you want to just put it tight. But we're going to get this thing back in, man. We're going to sneak it in the back door, man. The crazy part is, man, you think the starter comes from the bottom. It actually slides in through the leaf spring and goes up, man. So, and you got to, of course, move some wires out the way, which I mean back there, I'm sorry. So the starter got to squeeze in through there and go up. It ain't no trans right here. We trying to go into the oil pan, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see underneath there, man. So we're going to get this thing going. And we're going to get it started up. So, man, y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all think it's going to crank up, man. Let me know. What that mean, when the battery terminals is hooked up, man, P said, I'm going to master my abilities, man. And he said today was going to be a good day, right? You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Y'all see it, man. Yes, sir. Y'all want to see the new starter, too? Yes, sir. Y'all see that new starter up underneath the, man? You see all the wires tucked back, everything tucked like as it should. You know what I'm saying? Like my man Tay Vlog said, it do get crazy when Fly Roy working on semi-trucks. It do get crazy. You know what I'm saying? It is a next level situation, man. So here go the moment of truth, man. I'm just going underneath here to do a little visual quality inspection and make sure, just to make sure, because you always just want to make sure. You know what I'm saying? And everything looks sure. What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? I think it do. I think it look good. I think it look good. I think it look good. You know what I'm saying? It do get crazy when we working on semi-trucks, man. But y'all stay tuned. Y'all see right there. Y'all see them bolts right there. Them from the drive shaft. Man, good thing is my man got an automatic. Y'all see we're going to cut our switch back on. Oh, it's smoking. It's smoking. So one thing for sure, we got to be real careful, because you don't want to start a truck in drive on jack stand. So we gonna, oh, we got action. What y'all think, man? Moment of truth. Moment of truth, man. Is it gonna start? Because it do get crazy when we working on semi trucks. Oh boy, it do get crazy when we working on semi trucks. So now, man, all we gotta do is now, man, you know what I'm saying, I have to put the drive shaft back, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. I told y'all it do get crazy when we working on semi trucks. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna master my abilities. And P said today is gonna be a good day. Yes, sir. But we're gonna get the my man drive shaft back on. You know what I'm saying? Because he been in here cold, sleepy, all that. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put his drive shaft on, and I gotta go do a check. You know what I'm saying? So it's 3 o'clock. Oh, it ain't 3. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Yeah, we about to get into it, man. But y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, man. I told you we was outside today, didn't I say we was outside? We are a master of our abilities. And P said today gonna be a good day. Man, y'all wanna know how I had to put the drive shaft up, man. I thought I can get it by myself. I was like, oh, I can't pick it up. Man. But I got the thing on there. The cups is on the drive shaft. It's secure, bolted in, man. Check it out. Shaft is bolted on, man. I can't tell y'all how I did it, man. I had to, you know what I'm saying? You had to be here to see it, man. But can't give all my talents away, man. You know what I'm saying? I got to keep one in the holster. But, man, I'm closing out this video, man. Y'all see the truck is running. The drive shaft is up. The driver can get back on the road. He can get back to his money. And, of course, right now, he can go to sleep, man. So y'all stay tuned for the next one. I told y'all we'd be having them lit situations going on, man. Let's get it.